Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Good afternoon and good night. In today's session, in tonight, we are going to learn about one of the most important concept in BGP, the root reflector. In large network that use BGP, configuring a full mesh between all router can be very complex and difficult to manage. To solve this problem, we use a root reflector. Through this tutorial, I will explain what a root reflector is, why it is used, how it works, and how to configure it step by step. Make sure to follow each part carefully so that you can fully understand the concept and apply it in real network scenarios. Uh, let's begin and let's start. First, you can create or make the topology same like this, and uh, in here, I'm sorry, uh, I will start off. This the not router Cisco, same like this. If you add the node, add node Cisco image in the Pinet lab, and I will start in the R1 router 1. uh, oh yeah, I'm sorry, I will text the AS. AS is two area, like AS 12 is the router 1, router 10, router 2, and this R4 is AS 13. AS 13. This. Okay. For the first, I will make the IP in the router 1. You can know and wait until the CLI start, because the pnet is loading, and then two first router will be start. I will start to configure. Uh, you must type first enable, and enable. You can click enable, and then you can uh, config. uh, I type the conf uh, show run shall run the section BGP. Okay, nothing, and then I will config terminal or conft and make the name for the router host. You can type command is host and the name for the router R1 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 RR lah, and interface Ethernet 0/0 from the this 0, enter, and then IP add is 10.11 and 2, and the subnet mask address, because we make we because we use the prefix 30 the subnet mask like this, and enter, and no shoot. After that exit, no configure to interface ether 0/1 for the this ether 12.1 and IP at 12.12 10 12.12 1, sorry, and the subnet mask, enter, and then no shoot, and exit. Now the basic configuration is success, and we got to the router 3 or router kedua, and enter, enable and conft, and host name R3 for client, and then interface ether 0, oh I'm sorry, ether 0 0 0, and then IP add is 10 12 12 and 2, and the subnet mask is like this, and no shut, and exit. Okay, we got to router 2, no, okay, enter, no, again. uh, this router 2, you can type enable and then configuration config terminal and host to R2 R2 client to client, and then the interface is a 0/0, and then IP at 10 10 10 10 10 1, and then the uh, 255, oh sorry, 5. Then no shut and exit. Okay, on again, for the interface 01, and then IP at the 10 to 11 11 1 255, and then enter and no shut and exit. And after this, to router 4 enter and enable config and host R4 client, and then you do same like before, uh, in ether 0/0, and then IP at 10 10 10 2, and then 255, and don't forget to know sat and exit. Okay, after we config the basic configuration, uh, next we will make the BGP. I start from the router 1. uh, you type the BGP router BGP 12, and then enter. uh, Next we type the neighbor, the meaning is tetangga. We use the IP from the neighbor is 10 11 11 and 1. Neighbor 10 11 11 and 1. Remote is AS12, and the neighbor uh, update source net 0/0 update source on this update and enter. The next is the network 10 in the network and mask is the subnet mask. So after that the uh, second neighbor is to the router 3 12 12 and 2 and remote es 12 2 and neighbor update source is 0/1 and uh, network 10 12 12 0 and the mask is enter and then uh, it's not important is important for troubleshooting uh, to BGP and you can type the BGP log neighbor I'm forget sorry guys I forget and the neighbor changes okay next is the neighbor 12 12 2 sorry guys 12 12 2 root reflector client and again to the 11 11 uh 11 and 1 okay it's finished now we change to the R3 so router BGP 12 make 4 is 10 12 12 1 and remote as 12 enter and again the update source a 0 0 and then the network 10 12 12 0 and mask is 255 and BGP log neighbor change and then uh, finish. We next to add to client is the router BGP 12 neighbor 10.11 to remote as 12 and neighbor update. So update source E0/1 and network work 10 11 0 and mask is 255 and then enter. Okay, next after the network is I forget. uh, Wait guys. Second network 10 10 10 2 and remote ES13 and next the update source E0/0 and enter the network 10 10 10 0 and mask 200 252. Okay, uh, and then the BGP log make board changes. Okay, next finish. We go to the R for client, enable again, enable and conf router BGP is 13 and neighbor is 10 10 10 1 remote as 12 and update source, update source, E0/0, and network is 10 10 10 0, and the mask is same. Okay, BGP log, uh, make for change. Okay, and 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 the log is the IP BGP. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, show IP BGP, and that is mean the connection, and check ping to the here to here, and then 10 12 12 2, and you can see is success rate is 100%, and you want to ping in here, scan to ping the 10 11 and 2, and enter, and success rate is 100%. Okay, this video, and I successfully to show you the route and this success. Thank you very much for listening and for your attention. Uh, thank you very much, guys, because that's all for me. Uh, maybe I masih banyak kekurangan lah. I'm sorry, I forget the mean, but thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.